Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are
GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.
Right, I want to show you some drone footage of our favorite free campground in Wisconsin. It's located on Wisconsin Highway 32, just south of the little town of Wabeno. It's at a place called Potawatomie Casino. It has electric at each side, again for free, and free potable water, and a free dump station can be found on the property. For only $5, you can get a pass key that will get you access to the showers, the pool, the sauna, and the fitness center located inside the casino. We were getting 2 to 3 bars on Verizon Jetpack. There were 20 sites, half pull through, half back in. We went in July, and as you can see, we were the only ones there for a while. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing and ringing the bell so that you'll know when we post another campground review. This is GrassRoots Living, and we'll catch you next time.